Welcome to Cooking with Class. My name is Chef Gooch. It's a new school year, and we're going to start off with a really fun snack, grilled cheese. Everybody knows how to make a grilled cheese, right? With me, I've got two of my practicum students.
Hello, I'm Frankie Ramos, and I'm a senior at Monterey High School.
I'm Adrian Moreno, and I go to Lubbock High School.
Awesome. We're going to make 3 different grilled cheese, and we're going to do different levels of grilled cheese. We're going to start with your most basic and then work our way up to like a really fancy one that you might see on a menu at a restaurant. So let's get started, guys. We've got a griddle right here that we've got warmed up around medium heat. And so for this first grilled cheese, we're going to do the most basic. We've got just some plain white bread, some margarine, and some American cheese. So go ahead and butter that up. And then Adrian, yeah, let's do, what do you guys think? 2 slices? I think 2 slices of cheese is perfect. More than that is, you can do 3 maybe, but I think 2 is good, all right? Perfect. This bread is really thin. So be careful once we get it on there. And go ahead, soften them down, butter side down, both of them. We're gonna toast them on the outside first. And then I think we'll take them off. And this is gonna be the outside of the sandwich. And so we'll build it and we'll re-butter one side and put it back on there together. Does that sound good?
That sounds good.
Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
We got our cheese. Let's get it on that cutting board. So this side of the griddle is a little cooler. So when you're cooking a grilled cheese, I like to just find the right spot. You want the bread to be evenly toasted all over. So yeah, move it around. Let's see what it looks like. Get it underneath there. Let's see. Okay, that's actually toasted enough. Put it on the cutting board. Yeah. And then check that other one. What does it look like? Yeah, see, it didn't cook because the side's a little cooler. So let's flip her back over right there. Crank it up just a little. The big question is, what constitutes a grilled cheese? We like to have fun conversations. We've been in endless debates about whether or not a hot dog is a sandwich. Is it?
No.
Is it?
No.
Okay. I think it is. But the grilled cheese debate comes down to when you start adding other things into a grilled cheese, is it still a grilled cheese? So if we were to put some meat in a grilled cheese, is it still a grilled cheese?
Yes.
If we add like different sauces on top of it, do you think it's still a grilled cheese?
No.
You say no. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I agree. I think that once you add something else, we got to call it a different name, and that's going to be a melt. Go ahead, Adrian, put that on there. Okay. Slap this one together, butter one side, and get that side down. Go ahead. I feel like we should make 2 or 3 more two or three more of these. I can eat like 4. How many do you think you can eat?
Probably only like 1.5.
1.5.
1.5.
Those are rookie numbers.
At least
All right.
3.
At least 3?
At least 3.
All right, now butter the top side while it's on the griddle. That's fine, yeah. Yeah, that bread is so soft and squishy that it can be a little complicated, but yeah, it doesn't have to be fancy. Just what you've done there is perfect. So now we're just gonna go, move it around every now and then, just make sure that it doesn't stick and that it gets evenly toasted. Hey, that looks pretty good. You can tell this bread is so soft, it's starting to kind of cave in. And I don't think there's anything wrong with kind of pushing down and making sure that it cooks evenly. I might even flip this one back over and let it cook a little more because it might be, yeah, it's a little wet. All right, let's test the other side. Oh yeah, we got some cheese coming out. Yeah, that one still needs a little longer. We're looking good though. There we go, that looks good. Now we got more even browning, toasting, looking good. All right, we've got our first grilled cheese finished. Super simple, right? Bread, some form of fat. We use margarine, and the simplest cheese, American cheese, it melts the best. And then let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, we didn't get like that cheese pull, but it's in there. It's coming out. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I like that. I would eat it. A couple of them. You say one? You can only eat one?
Like 1.5.
All right. We'll be right back, and we'll start on that second sandwich.